Family Health History Tree. Introduction. So, what do you mean by family health history tree? Basically, a family history tree consists of information about disorders from which the direct blood relatives of the patient have been suffered. It gives us the accurate knowledge of a patient's family history, illness, which can inform clinical decisions or prevention of the conditions. So, what can you learn from your family health tree? We can learn about the genetic diseases. The appearance of a disease in multiple individuals on the same set of the family is more likely to have a genetic correlation. A family member with multiple cancers represents a greater likelihood of a genetic association. How to create your own family history tree. It is also called as a genogram or genetic pedigree. It gives us a visual representation of your family's genetic history. It also illustrates the patterns of a health and illness within a family. It pinpoints the areas of special concerns or risk for you. First, talk with your family member. Ask some questions to them, such as when were you born and what is your age today? How old were you when you first developed the conditions or illness? Have anyone in the family had birth defects? How old were they when they died? What was the cause of the death? Fill in information gaps. Second, the more blanks you can fill, the more informed you can be about your health risks. If you are unable to get complete information, state and country records may include death certificates that list cause of death. If a family member is adopted, check with adoption agency or local health or social service agency. Keep your history up to date. Write down what you find and add new health information as you learn about it. You can keep your family health history in a paper file or on a computer, but try to keep it up to date. Fourth, share with your doctor. Once you have created a family health history tree, share it with your doctor on your next visit. Your doctor can also suggest lifestyle changes that can lower your risk for some health conditions. So this is the family history tree. Try to fill out your own family history tree. So let us learn more about it by taking an example of hemophilia. So what is hemophilia? Hemophilia is an inherited X-linked recessive and lifelong blood disorder where an essential blood clotting factor is partly or completely missing. Hemophilia can be acquired very rare. It occurs in all racial groups and affects about 10,000 of the male population. So these are the general symptoms of the hemophilia, like bleeding into joints, swelling, frequent nosebleeds and abnormal bleeding after injury, blood found in urine. This image represents the common sites of bleeding. So, the Queen Victoria family has been affected by the hemophilia. The hemophilia figure prominently in the history of European royalty in the 19th and the 20th century. Britain's Queen Victoria, two of her daughters, Princess Alice and Princess Beatrice, passed the mutation to the various royal houses of Spain, Germany, and Russia. The test reports of the shows that the hemophilia passed on by the Queen Victoria was probably the relatively rare hemophilia B. So this is the family history tree of Queen Victoria. Thank you.